Is this thing crooked? I hope it's not. Nah, I should be good. So it's been a while, and listen, I'm busy. I'm in school. I'm working. I'm trying to find a balance between me filming and all the other things that's going on in my life, and it's really hard, but I'm trying. I want you to know that I'm trying. If you guys don't already follow me on Instagram, you can basically watch a vlog on my Instagram stories almost every day. So follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna make a pop tag right now, right about now, yeah. And you'll be able to follow me on Instagram. You can watch my Instagram stories. And basically, that's like my mini vlog, so to speak. So, yeah. But forget all that. In today's video, we're prepping you guys for back to school. Right now, I'm filming this on the 11th, I think. The 11th or the 12th? The 12th. And school's around the corner. School is next week. Not the Monday, that's tomorrow, but usually, I think it's next week. School's coming soon. And basically, what I wanted to show you guys and talk to you guys real quick is like one key thing that has helped me through school is organization. Now, I'm not the most organized person, and I'm still changing the way I'm going about things, which is really interesting because I'm in college and you would think that everything is set in stone because you learn this way, and yeah, forget it, never mind. But I've taken this minimalist approach to school in general and just trying to keep everything as simple as possible. Like, if school's already hard and school's already extremely complex, like, why are you making it difficult by filling up your backpack? Alright now guys, so let's get into my backpack to see basically what I have to offer. So, I'm a bit into the hype, so got my Supreme backpack here, and this is my everyday backpack for school basically. And let's just, yeah. So I start off in the first zipper, this portion right here. Right here. This is my hygiene products. Now, hand sanitizer. Now, hand sanitizer because, you know, people are dirty. And then when it comes into here, got another zipper, and I got, another bottle of hand sanitizer because remember, people are dirty. And then I got some chapstick because, you know, gotta stay hydrated. And then also got some lotion because you never know when you're going to maybe rub up against a wall and then you just look ashy on your elbow. Like right now, hold on, let me see real quick. Do I look ashy, y'all? Y'all let me know if I look ashy. So that's what I got for my little hygiene pouch. You can put those back real quick. And you guys get any questions? I mean, these are just basically hand sanitizers from Bed Bath & Body Works. Bed Bath & Beyond or Bed Bath & Body Works, yeah. So, and then as we go into the bigger pouch now, this is where all the school stuff happens essentially. So I got this pouch right here that has my pencil and pens, and then as it goes on, I got this little adapter for my MacBook because, you know, Apple took away all our ports, so we gotta get adapters now, you know, dongle lifestyle. So, and then got some sunglasses because you never know when it's sunny outside here in South Florida. They really should be up in this pocket right here, but I always forget to put them back up here, and I just throw them down here. Because, like, when I get into class and I pull out my pencil and stuff, and, like, yeah, you get it. So, I got my highlighter because just in case you gotta boop, boop, you know, highlight a couple things on the lines. Nothing too crazy. And before I get into the tech, I'm gonna explain some of the books I have. So, these are some of the books that I bring along. Sometimes on a daily basis, sometimes not, but whatever. So, this is my everyday book, my class notes book. Everything that for every class, I put it in this one book because I don't want to have to be like, oh, I'm looking for this or I'm looking for that. Like, no, it's all in this one book separated by these dividers and whatnot, right? So I have separated by chapters. This book's more like a personal development book, like a journaling thing. Like, oh, if I have an idea, I'll write it down in this book. And this is like this is a moleskin journal. I'll leave the links in the description for all the things that I have that like aren't like everyday things, like these, even these G2 pens I'll actually leave in the description, fine. And then I have my investment banking book when I am completely bored and my Instagram TL is saturated. I go ahead and read up on this because, you know, knowledge is power. But so as we move on in my backpack, not many things left, but we have my 2017 13-inch MacBook Pro. This beast is what I edit on. This beast is what I do my homework on. This beast is what I hook up to my monitor here. I hook up to my monitor here and work as a desktop. And then this pouch, my friends. This pouch houses all the rest of my things that are necessary for my tech. Realistically though, this should be in that pouch, but let's not talk about that. Along with these two as well. But again, let's not talk about that. So these two are my battery packs. I don't know about you guys, but still does wait, because I'm getting serious now. But I don't know about you guys, but I hate having to rely on an outlet to be like to do work. You know what I mean? So like if my phone's dying or if my laptop's dying, like I don't want to have to hug a wall to basically like work to function. So I went on Amazon and Anchor. So I went online and these are two awesome Anchor products. So when I'm not sponsored by Anchor by any way, shape, or form, but you know, if y'all are listening, you know, holla at your boy. But so this is my large battery pack, my large travel battery pack. I could charge 3 different things at once. Put a little Supreme sticker on there because, you know, why not? It's currently basically dead. I need to charge that one up. But this has 26,800 milliamp hours in this one pack. Now, that's enough to charge my phone probably 3 or 4 times. But I don't really use this pack for my phone unless this pack is dead. Now, this pack is another Anchor one, and this one has 10,000 milliamp hours, and this is the one I use for my phone generally. This one's fully charged, thank God. But I use this one for my phone, and I actually use this one for my laptop. Now, let me explain. So, with what Apple, since Apple switched and now we all have USB Type-C ports in our MacBooks to charge, technically, if you have a charger that can connect to another source, with it being USB to USB-C, you can charge from a thing like this, right? Now, it's not going to be anywhere near like your regular charger or whatever, but it definitely does the job. It can give you an extra 20-25% in a couple It takes a much longer to charge, but again, it does the job. So, yeah, other than that, I got my wall adapter if I actually have to go to the wall. Got this cable that goes to my external hard drive, you know, and then I have my actual my MacBook charger in here, the adapter for it. Yeah, my actual hard drive, a little dusty from not making videos, but let's not talk about that again. So, yeah, this little pouch, if you guys are wondering about this like pouch in general, it's Be Unique, Be Myself. I got it as a gift from Secret Santa one year. So I don't know exactly where, but I think she got it off Amazon. So shout out to you, Danny, for that. This is actually awesome. I love this thing. And keep some change in my backpack as well. Other than that, this thing's empty. Some pens right here, but this thing's empty. So that's basically it. My backpack's not super heavy. Yeah. Anything that's like cool, I'll leave in the link in the description. I'll leave a link in the description. But yeah, that's it for today's video. Don't subscribe, you know what I mean? You don't have to, like, the button's right there. You can go ahead and press it if you want to, but you don't have to. Or the bell either, you know. Don't subscribe. My videos are trash. Don't worry about me. So peace out, much love, and Wakanda forever. Alright, seriously, bye guys.